Alright guys, this is just a really quick update video. I have a camera stabilizer, so I'm going to try to use that. Essentially, I have all my other parts. I have to do this in like 5 minutes though, because I got to go to class. Anyways, this is the power supply I showed you last time. The problem I had with it was that I blew the fuse trying to use one of these, which is a solenoid, which I'll get to in just a second. Anyways, you can see all of my fuses here. If I pull this up, you will see the fuse that I blew. That was a 250 volt 5 amp? 5 amp. But these are 125 8 amps, and the reason why I set that up is because if you look here, you can see that for 240 volts it is 4 amps, but for 120, 110 it is 7 amps. So I just bumped that up. Wow. I just bumped that up by 1 amp just like they did. Hopefully that works and I don't kill myself. Anyways, moving on. Let's grab my other parts. Ooh, that's a weird looking cable. I have a MIDI Arduino shield all soldered up. I need to get headers on it. And that has 2 potentiometers that don't do anything and 3 buttons that don't do anything until I wire those up, because they go to, I think, D2, D3, D4, and then the analog 0 and analog 1. And then I have a MIDI to USB, so I can plug this into my computer. I also bought myself a MIDI cable, just in case I wanted to plug my actual keyboard into this keyboard, or into this MIDI device, and that way I can actually play a piano from a piano. I have 100 of these connectors, and that is how I'm going to wire up these guys. Fairly simple. Then I have, I think this is 9. I have 4 more boxes of these, so I have 50 total. And they say 24 volts. I'm going to see what the minimum voltage I can run them at. Wow. I can't talk. I am sorry, and there's no editing. This is going to be 24 volts, but I'm probably going to run it at around 12, depending on how much force it takes to actuate, because they can move fairly well at 12 volts. And you can see they've got 1 centimeter actuation distance. I don't know how to mount them yet. I think those are supposed to be mounting holes, but they're not threaded or anything. So I don't know. I'm going to try to make snaps or something. And then I have my 2N2222s, 200 pieces, and those are what's going to drive it, hopefully, if I can get enough amperage out of them. Anyways, that's all of these parts that I just got, I think. Let me check. Yep. So, lots of stuff. Oh, that was my phone. Lots of fun stuff. Should be seeing me this weekend at some point. I might stream or do something, because I'm going to be at a hackathon, which sounds really cringy, and it is, and basically going to be working on all this. So, I'll see you then. Peace out.